Jack and Annie had a frightening adventure when they fell into the moat of the castle. Jack lost his glasses but managed to grab them just in time. The heavy weight of his backpack and clothes made it almost impossible for him to float. Annie bravely jumped into the water to help, but the darkness and splashing noises made Jack fear there might be crocodiles nearby. The two children struggled in the cold water until Annie grabbed Jack's hand and pulled him to safety. Shivering and wet, they crawled onto the grass, but the thick mist around them made it hard to see anything. Jack tried to use his flashlight, but it no longer worked, leaving them trapped in the dark. Suddenly, a horse whinnied, and the clouds parted to reveal a knight on a black horse. His armor gleamed in the moonlight, and he seemed to be staring straight at them. Jack and Annie were amazed and nervous, realizing their adventure had only just begun.